Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable flight mode with your Nintendo Switch. So to do this, you'll need to be in a main hub, main menu, and from here you will need to move your way to the settings, and to do it you have to move this stick to the right like this, then press on the settings with A, flight mode, press A again, and flight mode on. And from here you can adjust settings to turn off the Bluetooth, turn off on Wi-Fi or NFC. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.